You know, I think he comes regularly. Have you got it?
Yeah, I've got a close-up of him.
That bloody baiting the trap for him.
He's just sitting there waiting on the buffet starting.
He's waiting on the pit, he's waiting on my sparrows. First one to pop out the hedge and he's going to have it. Remy, you're going to chase him.
It's not a kestrel, so I'm assuming it's a sparrowhawk or something. I need to have a look on the internet.
He's not bothered in the least. He's watching you.
I know.
Watching the dog, watching you. Just waiting for his chance to get one of these poor birds.
He's looking straight at me here.
There's a looking elsewhere when I let that bloody dog out.
I've got it so far zoomed them.
That my video camera you've got.
Yeah, try to take a still of it, but it's...
You're waiting for an action shot where some poor unsuspecting sparrow comes along for his dinner. Neither I wonder it's no getting emptied. They are the dinner if they come out and get that. Remy, go and chase that bird. I have let him walked up. Ready for it, Remy? Ready for it? Action shot, Remy.
Right, Remy, get the hawk.
Get the hawk.
Lost it.